I'm Holly with Boom Collaboration in a very sunny Las Vegas at the InfoComm show, showing you our ARC multi-host switching device here. This is a really exciting device because it lets you have an in-room system and BYOD all in the same setup. So on the back side here, you've got ports for all your USB-driven AV devices, so your video bars, cameras, PTZ cameras, speakerphones, that sort of thing. And then on the front side, you've got additional ports for 4 total hosts. So you've got 2 for like an in-room system, like a Zoom room, a Teams room, or just an in-room PC. And then you've got 2 USB-C ports, and those are for like a laptop or tablet connection. They also provide power to the laptop, which is a nice added bonus. Then you've got 2 additional HDMI outputs there for your displays, some audio connections, control connections, and then your port there for entering into the GUI so that you can kind of design the box exactly how you want it to behave. Out of the box, when you get this set up, when you've got your in-room PC and somebody walks in with their laptop and connects, they automatically take control over every device that's connected and all the screens. But you can also design it to be used exactly how you want to. So if you want one person sharing on one screen and another person sharing on another screen, you can set that up within the box as well. If you'd like to learn more about the Boom Arc or any of our other products, you can visit our website at boom.co. That's boom.co.